Hi, my name is Ryan, and today's project is construction site. So I made a truck and a crane. And the crane is for spinning like this to put things and grab things.
Yeah.
And this is for dumping the pieces off.
Cool.
And I'm still working on the motor.
Okay, so can you move it again? Show us the crane. Oh, so it's going to pick up something. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.